Hello there. How are you? Do you live with your grandparents or someone who is old in your family? How do you describe them? In this video, with our crossword puzzle, we practice some new words and we want to remember them easily. And at the end of the video, we practice article the with adjectives. Number one, it is formal and it is used to be polite. Elderly. Thank you. We have an example. An elderly woman walked on the street. Number two, it refers to those people who are 60, 65 years old and they are mostly retired. Senior citizens. Thank you. We can say, for the example, a senior citizen asked for the address. Number three is used for those people who are very old. Very good. Aged. We can say an aged man with white hair. The last one is informal and it is used to describe a person, especially a man. Old timer. The example is this: some old timers were walking in the park, or some old timers were watching the game in the cafe. Remember, we use article the to describe something that is known. But in this case, we use article the and adjective to describe a special group of people with the same adjective. And we don't use the noun. The examples are the aged, the young, the rich, the old, the poor. And we don't say the aged people or the young people. No, we delete the noun. The aged are required to be helped. This is the example. Or the young have a lot of energy to work in the companies at the beginning years. Thanks for being here with me. And if you find the video useful and practical, try to stay with us for more videos on practical words and phrases in English learning. Don't forget the Lingo Wizard. Try to register and stay with us for lessons to help you process your English learning. Bye for now.